Hello friends, today we will solve Geek for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is remove vowels from string. So this question is asked in G company. So now we open this question. So the question is remove vowels from string. Given a string, remove the vowels from the string. So now we see first example. So input is welcome to Geek for Geeks. So the output is VLCM. Here all the vowels has been removed. So now we see second example. So the second example is this. What is your name? So here all the vowels has been removed. So now ignore vowels and print other character. Your task is to complete the function remove vowels which takes single string as a input and return the modified string. You need take any input or print anything. So first we will make a function for checking whether a character is vowels or not. Then if the character will be vowels, then we will simply return true, otherwise we will return false. If after that we will check, then we will store in string builder. If vowels will be, then we will not store in string builder, otherwise we will store in string builder. So first we will make a function for checking vowels. So return type of vowel function will be boolean. So boolean static is vowels. Char ch if ch equal to a ch equal to e or operator, ch equal to I, then we again or operator, ch equals to ch equals to a e I o u. If ch will be a e I o u anyone, then we will return true. Otherwise we will return false. So now here we first make a string builder for storing all character where vowels character will not be involved. So string builder answer equal to new string builder. So now we traverse on entire string. So we use for loop for traversing. char variable for storing char at I s dot char at I. Now we check the condition if is dot vowels ch not, then we will add in string builder. So for adding in string builder we use append function. So answer dot append ch. Now we simply return the value of string builder. Before returning the value we will convert it in string. So here we use ans dot to string method. So now we compile and run. So here is some error. So here status will be first, then boolean. Now we again compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and done. Now we submit this code. So all the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.